On a black background, white big bold text appears and reads, Sightless Living. Copyright symbol 2021-2023. Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears.
Made it to the hotel without incident, checked in, and now heading up to the floor.
Elevator is going up.
Placing the key over the sensor for access to the floor. Pressing the button for the 4th floor. And up we go. There are 3 elevators in this hotel. I caught the cab in the middle, which is the door that opened.
Floor 4.
Here we are on the floor. The doors are opening. There is a number 4 in print with the Braille number sign and number 4 character underneath. There are signs on both sides of the inner walls coming out of the elevator. So there's one on the left and one on the right. Sometimes there may be only one sign on either the left or right, or sometimes there may be no signs and you'll see the number 4 with the Braille underneath on the front wall, which you will only see once you come out of the elevator.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.
I exit the elevator into a 4th floor lobby. You gotta feel all over the place. Here I am feeling the walls, looking for buttons, Braille signage, stairs, elevators, fire hoses, extinguishers, anything I can find to familiarize myself with the area I'll be using. This lobby is pretty big. Sometimes you'll find them full of furniture to trip over, glass tables, telephones. This one may be going in that direction, but right now there is no furniture in the way to trip over. I like to know my surroundings and where to find things. Make sure you have wipes so you can clean your hands when you're done. Don't know what this is? It doesn't have any Braille. Here's the fire door sign. There is no Braille. There is a photo on it that depicts a person going down a staircase with a flame behind them. But how would a blind person know that? There's no Braille. This is a new build, so I'm surprised. In most of the hotels I've been in, you should be able to come out of the elevator, walk across the hallway to the horizontal wall. I'm walking over to the sign. Reach up, feel the sign, read the Braille, be able to walk left or right to find your room number. I'm feeling the sign. No, Braille! This is a joke. You can be in this lobby on your floor for hours looking for your room. They never have the blind in mind. So I know it's around the corner, so I go around the corner. I start my journey to my room on the right side of the hallway. What that is. Feels like an ice machine. I don't feel any signs. I run into the fire extinguisher. Here's the ice machine. Here's the opening. I hear something. Sounds like vending. And here's a sign. I have 2 capital dots, so it's going to be a cap I, cap C, cap E, ice. So that's our ice room. I know this is an opening since there's no trim on the wall. I cross over to the left side of the hallway. I'm feeling the wall for the Braille room sign. This is room 4:33. Now sometimes I like to just take my cane and just go down the hall like this. I trail the hallway by sticking my cane tip in the corner where the wall meets the floor and push it forward. When I get to a door cutout, I'll stop, reach up to feel the brailled room number. In the door cutouts, you have to be careful not to whack anyone's door. I'll come over here, got another room to read. This is 4:35. Keep going. Again, I'll trail. That's another door. Come over here, see where I am. Must be on the other side. It's either going to be on the left and right. So if you feel on the right, don't find it, go to the left. Go to the left, you don't see it, go to the right. So that's 4:39. So I'll do this again. Find the edge, start trailing. I call this dirty work because your hands are going to get nasty doing the wall. Usually I have gloves on, but when you're first checking in, you'll look a little strange with gloves. It feels like an opening. There's no door. I know my hallway is the first one on the left. So again, I'll take my cane, try to do it quietly. I don't want to disturb anyone. I haven't missed anything. Sometimes I'll miss them. See, I didn't want to do that. Didn't find anything there. Here's the room number. Now, this is where reading comes in. So this is 3 dots. That's L-I.
You guys okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to read the signs.
Okay.
You're missing a lot of Braille, you know.
Housekeeping?
L-I-N. Because here's a contraction, I-N. It starts at the bottom. L-I-N. And then this is at the bottom, E-N. So it's L-I-N-E-N. That's linen. And then we have S-T, which is another contraction. O-R-A-G-E. So this should say linen storage. Okay, let me just go on down here. Another room. And this one says 4:41. And that's where I'm going. Take my key. Oh, there we go. Okay, now that I'm going to wipe down things. Got my gloves on and sit my wipe. I took a water. The first thing I like to do is wipe down my key because these are recycled. They are not brand new. I'll just throw them in my pocket. I'll do the inside first. This peephole has a cover. Peepholes that don't have covers, I'll usually stick a tissue in it and leave it in there until I check out. Let me see. This one's covered, so I'll still wipe it down. Wherever my face is going to be, I just wipe it down. I've been in the rooms when housekeeping was cleaning, they don't do this. So this one, the peephole slides up, out the way. There it is. Now, if your room does not have a peephole cover, I always like to take a tissue. These are clean, just balled up. And I feel for the hole, and then I just stick my tissue in the hole. Let's see, here it is. Like so. And then I just keep it there until I check out. I don't have to worry about peeping Toms. Then next, I wipe down my door handles. I look for light switches and wipe those down. I'm just roughing it. I actually do a better job than this. I'm just giving you an idea. And then I do the outside, which I open the door. Sometimes there are people out there and they look at you strange. I'm wiping the outside of the door where I will be touching. I also wipe the Braille room number on the wall. Doors are heavy, and like I suspected, someone's out there, and they usually look at you like, oh, maybe they have COVID, that's why they're wiping it down. But I've been doing this before COVID, yes, since I'm here. When I go anywhere for a week or so, I like to get rooms where you can cook. The food's expensive, so you're better off just getting a room that has a kitchenette or something. You can cook your own food, especially if you're on a restricted diet, or you're watching your salt or whatever. Or you don't want to spend the money. And then after you spend your money and eat it, you're like, why did I spend my money? You could either go get your food yourself. You can go shop in the grocery store, or you can have the hotel do it. Here's the fridge, and it's a full one. Before I start using the dishes and cutlery, eating bar here, the seats, the couches, I just wipe everything down. I take wipes, I throw it on the floor, and use my foot like a mop and just mop all over the place. I take some wipes, I find all the vents, and I wipe them down. Sometimes it's good to ask if you can have someone give you some assistance, like I did, because you gotta look for these things. But I'm gonna get up there and clean all the vents, since I'm gonna be here for a while. I have never gotten sick, knock on wood, in the hotel. I want to be able to wear no mask in my room. And then on top of that, I go through all the kitchen stuff, opening all the drawers, and I'll just throw everything in the dishwasher. I'll just do my room, and then you go out to lunch, dinner, whatever it is, and let the room air out. I usually drop the AC so it gets real cold and it keeps the air circulating. So when I come in, it's like a light fragrance of Lysol because I don't like it heavy. And that's about it. So that's what I do when I check into a hotel. Hope I've given you some tips. I have to go downstairs and speak with them. There's a bunch of Braille missing. They weren't aware. And hopefully I can help somebody else out with that. I was in a hotel. The Braille was broken off the signs. I went to management, I told them, I showed them, they took pictures, and they told me the next time I come back it will be fixed. When I did return, the signs were fixed. It's just the little things like that which mean a lot to people, and that's what I and my channel are all about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please make sure you are a subscriber to the channel. Click the notification bell so you will be notified each time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next one.
Scene changes to a mountain scene backdrop. Rolling credits appear in big bold text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary. Mountain Air videography. TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.